Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Bosch Battery 12V is probably one of the most essential components for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, powering a wide array of tools that make our projects come to life. Whether you're drilling, cutting, or fastening, the reliability and longevity of your power source directly impact your productivity and the quality of your finished work, making a smart choice in battery technology a crucial step towards achieving seamless operation and professional results every single time. Number 5. Bosch Bat 41412V Max Lithium-Ion 2.0 Ah Battery. Experience outstanding performance with this powerful 12V Max battery. Its light and portable design makes powering your tools more efficient than ever. Get more done with a significant runtime boost. This battery is engineered to deliver 50% more runtime compared to previous generations. Don't let the cold stop you. This battery performs reliably even in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy enhanced maneuverability thanks to its compact size and lightweight design. It weighs only 0.3 pounds, making it easy to handle. This battery offers seamless compatibility with all Bosch 12V Max cordless power tools and chargers. It's the perfect power source for your existing tools. Rest assured with your purchase. Bosch 12V Max batteries are covered by a comprehensive 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This battery offers a significant runtime boost, making it great for extended tasks. It also performs reliably in cold temperatures. If you need a dependable battery for longer projects or work in varying conditions, this is a solid choice. What people say. The battery has a good charge capacity. It fits perfectly with the Bosch tools. The battery life is impressive for its size. Number 4. Bosch Bat 414-2 PK12V Max Lithium-Ion 2 Ah Battery 2-Pack. Experience outstanding performance with this powerful 12V Max battery pack. It's designed to efficiently power your tools, offering a light and portable solution for any job. Get more done with a runtime boost. This battery is engineered to deliver 50% more runtime than previous generations, keeping you working longer. Enjoy enhanced maneuverability thanks to its compact size and lightweight design. Weighing only 0.3 pounds, it's easy to handle and use. Don't let the cold stop you. This battery is built to operate in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliability in various conditions. It operates seamlessly with all Bosch 12V Max cordless power tools and chargers. Enjoy effortless integration into your existing Bosch system. Benefit from advanced protection features. Electronic cell protection helps guard against overheating, overload, and unnecessary discharge, ensuring longevity. Rest assured with our 3-year limited warranty. This battery is covered, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Get double the power with this 2-pack, offering 50% more runtime than older models. The electronic cell protection adds an extra layer of safety. If you frequently use your tools and want a backup or simply need more power for the price, this pack is ideal. What people say. The battery has a good charge capacity and lasts a long time. It is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for extended use. The battery charges quickly, so you can get back to work in no time. Number 3. CaliHutt 2-Pack 3.0 are replacement batteries for Bosch 12V. Introducing the CaliHutt 2-Pack 3.0 are replacement batteries, designed to significantly extend your Bosch 12V Max tools working time. Get ready for longer, uninterrupted work sessions. Tired of frequent charging? These batteries upgrade your experience, offering at least 2 hours of use on a single charge, compared to the original less than 30 minutes. Power through your jobs without interruption. Enjoy up to 2 years of reliable performance with these batteries. Featuring a 1000 recharge cycle and a low 1% self-discharge rate, they are built to last. Your safety is paramount. These batteries are equipped with a battery management system, BMS, and UL certified cells, protecting against short circuits, overcharging, and overheating. These batteries are compatible with a wide range of Bosch 12V Max series tools and chargers, including models like Bat 414, Bat 420, and many others. They are also compatible with all 12V batteries and chargers. You'll receive two X 3.0R replacement batteries, a user manual, and excellent customer support with a 1.5-year warranty for refunds or replacements. What we like. This upgraded battery boasts a higher 3.0Ah capacity, significantly extending your working time. With a long lifespan of 1,000 recharge cycles and UL certified safety, it's built to last. If you're looking for a cost-effective, long-term replacement that offers superior runtime and safety, this is the one. What people say. This battery is a perfect fit for my Bosch drill. The battery holds a charge for a long time, which is great for extended use. It charges quickly, so I'm not waiting around for it to be ready. Number 2. Bosch 12V Max Lithium-Ion 3.0Ah Battery GBA 12V30. Experience exceptional performance with this lightweight, portable power source. It's designed to efficiently power your tools, giving you the boost you need. Get up to 50% more runtime compared to older models, all while maintaining the same convenient weight. This means you can work longer without interruption. Enjoy 12V max power and 3.0Ah capacity in a remarkably compact and lightweight design. It weighs only 0.4 pounds, making it easy to handle. Don't let the cold stop you. This battery is engineered for cold weather operation, allowing you to work effectively in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. This battery is compatible with all Bosch 12V Max lithium-ion tools and chargers. You can rely on it to work seamlessly with your existing equipment. Rest assured with our 3-year limited warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of our batteries. What we like. Experience up to 50% more runtime with this 3.0Ah battery, all while maintaining a lightweight design. It also handles cold weather operations well. If you need a balance of extended power and portability for your Bosch 12V tools, this battery delivers. What people say. This battery is a perfect fit for my Bosch drill. It holds a charge for a long time, which is great for extended use. The battery charges quickly, so I'm not waiting around for it to be ready. Number 1. Bosch GBA 12V 6012V Max 6Ah battery. Experience enhanced performance with this 12V lithium-ion battery. It's engineered to deliver superior power for your high-demand Bosch 12V Max tools. Get up to 50% more runtime compared to older 4.0Ah batteries, without adding extra weight. This means more work done with greater efficiency and convenience. This battery delivers robust 12V max power and 6.0Ah capacity in a remarkably lightweight design, weighing only 0.8 pounds. Don't let the cold stop you. This battery offers convenient cold weather operation, allowing you to work effectively in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy broad compatibility. It works perfectly with all Bosch 12V Max lithium-ion power tools and chargers, ensuring a seamless experience. This battery is built to last and is covered by a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This 6.0Ah battery provides the longest runtime in the lineup, offering substantial power for demanding jobs. Despite its high capacity, it remains surprisingly lightweight. If you need to power through the longest projects without frequent recharges, this is your ultimate solution. What people say. The Bosch battery is a reliable power source for my tools. It holds a charge for a long time, which is great for extended use. The compact design makes it easy to handle and maneuver my tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.